let me ask you a question. Do you want to learn how to rank your videos on the top of YouTube and Google? The number one problem with video is ranking them fast and keeping the rankings. Well, I have the solution for you that you've been looking for. Welcome to Tube Video Booster. Just give me 3 minutes and I'll show you how I'm able to rank client videos on the top of YouTube and Google super fast and keep them there. The simple white hat methods in Tube Video Booster will help you rank your videos no matter what niche you're in. This goes out to all the internet marketers, business owners, and SEOs out there who are frustrated with their YouTube and Google ranking results. If you're sick and tired of making videos and posting them to YouTube and not seeing them ranked where you want, then this is the training for you. Hey guys, my name is Johnny Thompson, and I've been an SEO, web designer, video creator, and product developer for the past 16 years. As an SEO, I've helped many companies make millions of dollars from their websites and videos. I moved to the Philippines 7 years ago to set up a full-time SEO team. I also work with some of the top SEOs and internet marketers in the world. When they need SEO and video services, they come to me. So you might say I walk the walk. Like many of you, I've seen many SEO products come and go, and video ranking systems that claim to work but just didn't deliver the goods. I spent thousands on software programs and systems, some good, some bad. Most of these programs I've bought just rehash the same old methods, and trust me, for the past 16 years, I've seen them all. After years of frustration, trial and error, I've developed my own method of ranking videos that Google loves. The fact is that Google loves video and their sister site YouTube. The secret is giving them both what they want, and your videos will outrank your competition for just about any product or business. I've spent years researching and trying this system out and actually applying this to my own SEO client videos. And I've actually had videos that ranked in under an hour and have stayed there for more than 6 months or even years. Take a look at these real results for real clients. And here are more results. Just imagine being able to rank any video quickly and easily and do the entire process in about 15 minutes per video. Outrank your competitors' videos and websites on both YouTube and Google. Use Tube Video Booster for your clients and boost your client retention. Make extra money by charging this as a separate service or include it in an SEO monthly package. Get more clients by adding video ranking to your list of services. Make more affiliate sales by ranking your product review videos. And that's just for starters. The possibilities are limitless. Stop banging your head against the wall trying to figure out what Google wants. Just follow my step-by-step system. As a member of Tube Video Booster, you will get access to a 100% free software that allows you to spy on your competition and steal their video keywords. Get my 10 step-by-step video series that you can easily follow or give to your virtual assistant to do for you. You will get my exclusive bonuses and recommended sites and tools to use. You'll also get free updates for life. It takes only 15 to 20 minutes to complete all the Tube Video Booster ranking steps once you've learned them. This system will work on YouTube and Google to rank your videos fast. You can use this on new videos or even your existing videos. That's right, take your old videos and boost them. For a limited time, get this at the cheapest price possible. The price will go up with each sale. I want you to feel 100% satisfied with your purchase, so you get 30 days to try out the Tube Video Booster system or get 100% of your money back. Here are my exclusive bonuses for you if you order today. Bonus number 1, the Facebook fan page formula. My #1 best-selling information course for making money with Facebook. With this program, you'll learn to make Facebook fan pages for local businesses as a foot-in-the-door method. Bonus number 2, the Facebook fan page covers for all of your clients. With this product, I include dozens of popular business Facebook covers you can use for your clients. Simply add a photo or text to customize and upload to Facebook. Bonus number 3, my Pixlr training videos. With this 2-part video series, I show you how to quickly edit banners, Facebook covers, and ads using a free software called Pixlr. These videos will save you hours trying to learn how to use this software. Pixlr is a great alternative to Photoshop. Bonus number 4 is a secret bonus that will help you with your video creation process. Try Tube Video Booster for the next 30 days, risk-free. This is an amazing opportunity and there's no way you can lose. Get it right now before the price goes up. Start making more money for you and your clients today. You can charge $100 or more per video for this type of ranking service. You will make back your investment from your very first client. So if you're ready for serious, fast results for your videos or your clients' videos on YouTube and Google, take action now. If you want to increase your sales and marketing results, don't wait another minute. After the launch is over, I can't guarantee you the price you're seeing now will still be available. It's just a fact. Order now while this product is in the launch phase for the best price. You can get access to the Tube Video Booster system in just a few seconds. Instant delivery in our members area, and remember, it's 100% guaranteed to work for you or your money back. Order now. See you in the members area.